In this video, we'll do the sum from k equals 3 to infinity of 1 minus 2 over k all over k plus 1 times k minus 1 factorial. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. Okay, so it's peculiar that k plus 1 and k minus 1 factorial on the denominator. So k plus 1 seems like you can cancel that, but k minus 1 factorial seems like you can't. So 1 minus 2 over k can be written as k minus 2 over k, but we have a k plus 1 in the denominator, so we're going to write this as k plus 1 minus 3 all over k, because 1 minus 3 equals minus 2. So this will be written as the sum from k goes from 3, the original is to infinity, of k plus 1 minus 3 all over. We can move the k to the denominator, so this will be k times k plus 1 times k minus 1 factorial. Okay, so we can split this up. We can assume it converges, so the sum k equals 3 to infinity. K plus 1 will cancel, so this will be 1 over k times k minus 1 factorial. But that you can combine to be k factorial. Okay, so then minus 3 times the second sum from k goes from 3 to infinity of 1 over k times k plus 1 times k minus 1 factorial. So k times k minus 1 factorial is k factorial times k plus 1, which turns into k plus 1 factorial. Okay. This can be written as the sum from k equals 3 to infinity, 1 over k factorial minus 3. So this can be written as the sum from k equals 4 to infinity, 1 over k factorial. Why? Because the first term will be 1 over 4 factorial, then 1 over 5 factorial, and so on, so we can just move it up 1. Okay. So now we can write this as the sum from k equals 0 to infinity, 1 over k factorial, minus, now we have to subtract the k equals 0, 1, and 2 cases. This will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 half. Why? Because 1 over 0 factorial and 1 over 1 factorial are 1, and 1 over 2 factorial is 1 half. So now we have minus 3 times the sum from k equals 0 to infinity, 1 over k factorial. Then we have to do the same thing, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 half, and then the k equals 3 case, which is 1 over 3 factorial, which is 1/6. Okay, so now we have to find out what this is. So e to the x is defined as the sum from k equals 0 to infinity of x to the k over k factorial. So now let's plug in k equals 1, x equals 1, sorry. So it'll be e, and that's defined as the sum from k equals 0 to infinity. Replace x with 1, so that's 1 of the k, so that's 1 over k factorial, and that's what we want. Okay, so this will be e minus, this is just 2.5, so we have 2.5 minus 3 times e minus 2.5 plus 1/6, because, yeah, we have an extra 1/6. Okay, we have an e, we have a minus 3 over e, so that would be minus 2 over e, minus 2.5. So we have minus 3 minus will be plus 3 times 2.5. And then we have to distribute it to the 1/6, so that's 3 times 1/6. 3 over 6, you know, is 1 half. Okay. So this will be, okay, so 3 times 2.5 minus 1 times 2.5 is just 2 times 2.5, which is 5. 5 plus 1 half, this is 0.5, can combine to be 5.5 minus 2e. And that is the end of the video. Hope you liked it.